Hello? Oh, hey, Sally here. I know. I can't believe that she was doing that. Yeah, but she's not, like, she's just doing that on purpose. Like, she doesn't actually mean it. I know. I think she's just ridiculous how she's acting. Like, it's just... Sorry. Bit of a cough there. No, I just think... What do you want?
I'm here to kill you.
Why?
Because I don't like you. Get on the floor. Stay there. Going to kidnap you. Call for help. You're dead. Dead, I tell you.
Sally! Help me! Sally! Sally, help me! Please! Sally! Sally!
See this? It is going to kill you. Don't ever call for help. Get up! Get up now.
Please don't!
Stand still. Don't let me face. Stay. Look, I didn't just go away. Do you know what you did?
No?
Yes, you must.
What did I do?
Do you remember me?
No, I don't.
Primary school. Alice? Yes. The one you teased. The one you fought. Miss Fatty. Alice is a fatty. Well, now, I'm not only a fatty, I'm a killer. I'm going to kill you for that. Trust me. I told you would regret it.
Alice, please don't.
Please don't. That's what I said to you when you were being rude. You need to go work.
Alice, please.
Tell me why I shouldn't.
Because.
Because what?
Do you know why I said that stuff?
Why?
Because it was true.
Don't ever do it to me again. Let me check it out. Wonderful glory. See, this will happen to you if you don't be careful. I am coming after that girl for calling me that. She died. Don't do it ever again.